How about the advocate and the legal nurse consultant? Because legal nurse consulting has gained a lot of traction over the years, and people are always like, what do they do? And, how can I become one? And what is the
Well,
difference between being an advocate?
so great question. So I also have created a course for this. So I teach nurses how to cross over. So I have a course on my website as well. So it's Intro to Legal Nursing, and I break down some of this stuff. Because a legal nurse consultant, there is a certificate and a certification that you can sit for. I've not done either. You do not have to. You can be a legal nurse consultant, but I don't write, like you don't see LNC behind my name or little c LNC behind my name. Those are different designations afforded by the American Association of Legal Nurse Consultants. But a legal nurse consultant can work in a law firm, can work in that hospital where I said you might have to go down to risk management or legal. There might be a legal nurse consultant there, or a nurse paralegal. Legal nurse consultant is a very broad term. It's almost like saying car. Now I say that, but I also said that there's a designation for that. It's just as a culture, we use that word, but it does mean a lot of things. Expert nurse, investigator, those are all the types of legal nursing, and there is different designations. So as when I was hired in the capacity of an expert nurse for civil litigation, that capacity was very different. Then when I was as an investigator, my capacity, and I use that word when I'm teaching legal nurses, is very different. An advocate, the capacity that I'm hired in is very different. So when a nurse reaches out to me and I'm their advocate, I'm not working for the law firm, right? Because that could be a form of bias, and I'm unbiased. Always in any of those roles that you ever assume in any nursing role, your duty is, right, to be unbiased. So thank you for clarifying, and asking that clarification, because we're all advocates, whether it's a nurse advocate, patient advocate. So it is the capacity that I'm basically hired in. So when the nurse reaches out to me, the services that I provide are different. When the lawyer reaches out to me, I may not talk to the nurse. I may never talk to the nurse, right? Because I'm not hired by the nurse.
By the nurse.
I'm unbiased.